Introducing the line. If we hold the ends of a string in our two hands and stretch it, we get a straight line. If we hold it loose, we get a curved line. A vertical line, a horizontal line, a slanting line, a curved line. Drawing lines and shapes using objects. Observe how a line can be drawn using a ruler. Draw shapes by moving your pencil along the edges of different objects as shown in the pictures and observe the shapes.
Introducing the line. Mark a few points as shown. Now, with the help of your pencil, join all the given points. The figure which you see is a line. Line is the very basic of geometric figures. Now, to make it simple, let's take a piece of paper as shown. Now, fold the paper sideways as shown. After opening it, we see a fold. If we mark this fold with a pencil, what we get is a vertical line or standing line, to put it simple words. Now, take a plain paper again. Fold it as shown. Unfold the paper. See the line of fold. If we mark the fold with a pencil, what we will get is a horizontal line or sleeping line. Now, again take a paper. Fold it as shown. Unfold it. Then mark the fold with a pencil. What we see is a slanting line. Now, take a string or thread. Stretch it as shown. What we see is a horizontal line. Hold the same string in the direction shown. Now, what we see is a vertical line. Again, hold the same string in the direction shown. What we see is a slanting line. Let's make the drawing of a line more interesting. Take a big piece of paper. Take a matchbox. Place the matchbox on the paper as shown. Trace the outline of one side of the matchbox as shown. We will get a horizontal line. Now, trace the other side of the matchbox. We get a vertical line. Now, tilt the matchbox as shown. Then, trace the side of the matchbox as shown. We get a slanting line. Question. You have to draw a horizontal line. Recollect the horizontal line drawn earlier and draw a sleeping line. We get a horizontal line as shown. Question. You have to draw a vertical line. Recollect the vertical line drawn earlier and draw a standing line. We get a vertical line as shown. Question. You have to draw a slanting line. Recollect the slanting line drawn earlier and draw the line. You have drawn a slanting line as shown. Now, that you know how to draw horizontal, vertical and slanting lines, try and draw a picture making use of all these lines. See the figure alongside. Practice drawing different rangoli designs using the different lines. Let me show you one of the designs by joining dots. Place the dots as shown. Number them as shown. Start joining the numbers in serial order. You will find that you have drawn all different types of lines: vertical, horizontal, and slanting. Keeping it on a paper horizontally, draw a line by the edge as shown. We get a horizontal line. Keep the ruler in vertical direction. Draw a line by its edge. We get a vertical line. Now slant the ruler. Then draw a line by its edge. We get a slanting line. Finally, see the dots given. They are numbered. A few lines are drawn. With the help of a ruler, join the points serially. See what figure is formed. We can see that the figure formed is that of a house. See children, learn and practice this simple topic of lines.